Did you know a medieval princess orchestrated one of history's most brutal revenge schemes and later became a saint? Princess Olga of Kiev watched her world crumble when the Drevlian tribe murdered her husband in 945, but instead of mourning quietly, they made a fatal mistake. They demanded she marry their prince. Big mistake. Olga smiled and agreed to meet their envoys, then buried them alive in their own boat. When the next delegation arrived, she invited them to cleanse themselves in her bathhouse. She locked the doors and set it ablaze. Still not satisfied, Olga invited 5,000 Drevlians to a peace feast. She got them completely drunk, then massacred every single one. But her masterpiece was yet to come. She tied burning materials to hundreds of birds and released them over the Drevlian capital. The entire city burned to ash. Her methodical destruction of an entire people became legendary across medieval Europe. The twist? Centuries later, she became the first Russian saint. Sometimes history's most ruthless rulers become tomorrow's holy figures.